date. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Landon, if today is Tuesday, yesterday was?
Monday.
Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Angela, if today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Nice job. When we write the date, boys and girls, we're going to put 1-5-21. So when we do our writing books today, we want to make sure that we put the date in there so we know what day we did the page. Okay? I want you guys to look at our pattern here. We have penguin, 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 glove, glove, hot cocoa. Then I see another penguin. So if the pattern stays the same, how many penguins should I have next? Cadence, do you know how many? If our pattern stays the same, how many penguins should I have?
4.
So we have penguin, 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 glove, glove, hot cocoa. So then I should have penguin, penguin,
What?
let's find out. Penguin, 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 and then another glove. So I think the pattern is 3 penguins, 2 gloves, 1 hot cocoa. So it'll go 3 of a kind, 2 of a kind, 1. 3 of a kind, 2 of a kind, 1. So let's see if that keeps happening for the rest of calendar. I'll leave those up here for now. And we can see if that pattern happens the rest of the month, okay? All right, days of the week. Make sure that you have microphone muted, but that you are singing it with me, okay? And that's going to help our friends online here if they watch the video later. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. This question is for Paige. Paige, which day of the week is this? Monday, nice job. Adrian, what about here?
Tuesday.
So here we have our blend, TH, and it's saying,
I'm gonna ask my principal.
so listen to the blend. What's this day of the week? Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Go ahead, Adrian. Elijah, can you help Adrian out? Can you tell us what day of the week this is? We have a TH.
Thursday.
Thursday. Great job, Elijah. All right. Hi, Deleza. You're going to be my next helper. Okay, everyone is going to stand up. We're going to do months of the year 2 times through. And then I'm going to call on some friends to tell me the months. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all turn around. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all sit down. Deleza, can you tell me this month? Look at the first letter.
October.
October, nice job. Petra, how about this one?
October.
Right here.
Oh. You were paused on October. You're like freeze on October, so I got confused.
Uh-oh. Do you see what? Good job, May. Awesome job, Petra. All right. Today's weather. All right. I'm going to be calling on a friend who's raising their hand to tell me the weather. When you want to answer, we're going to say today's weather is, and we're choosing sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy. Okay, Landon, what is today's weather?
Today weather is partly cloudy.
Partly cloudy. Is this partly cloudy?
No.
Is this partly cloudy?
No.
Is this partly cloudy?
Yes.
Yes, nice job. Partly cloudy. Mason, how many days are partly cloudy? 2. And how about snowy days? Here's the snowy. Go ahead, Mason. 4. Nice job, Mason. Okay, Nicholas, you are my next helper. Nicholas, this is a question for you. If yesterday we had 75 days in school and I add 1 more, how many days of school have we been in now?
6.
So which number do I need to change? This number, the tens number, or the ones?
1.
The ones. And this becomes which number, Nicholas?
6.
6. So how many days have we been in school now?
76.
Great job, Nicholas. 76 days. We are almost to 100 days of school. That is super exciting. Okay. I'm going to go through all of the sounds. And what I want you to do is repeat them back to me, but make sure the microphone is on mute. But I want to still make sure you guys are doing the sounds at home, okay? This is going to be really good practice for our word study. Okay? A, a, Oh, that's so exciting. Thanks for sharing. All right, we're going to do our sounds. A, B, 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 B. C, C, K, K. D, 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 D. I actually would love to hear you guys saying it. So I'm going to allow you to have all of your microphones on as long as we're being really responsible when we are repeating back and we're not saying it a lot. We're going to just say it one time just like me, okay? So you can have your microphone on. E, E, F, F. F, F. G, 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 G. H, H. Good job. I, I. J, 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 J. K, 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 L, 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 L. M, M, N, N, O, O, A. P, P, Q, Q, R, 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 R. S, S, T, 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 T. U, V, V, W, W, woo, woo. X, X, good job. Y, Y, Y. Z, 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 Z. Oh, I didn't hear anyone on the Z, Z. Ready? Z, Z. Good job. All right, I'm going to ask that microphones go back to mute. Excellent job. And we are going to move over now to our word study. So I will give you 1 minute to get your book out. Second page, which says Tuesday, and it's this kind of pinkish orange color. And all you're going to do is take that top page, pull it off. The green and the blue go to the back of your word study book for tomorrow. So now you should have your word study book, your pink Tuesday paper, scissors, and glue. I'll give you 1 minute to get that ready, and I'll get my camera set up so that we can do this together. You're going to use the raise hand button to let me know when you're all ready. Yesterday, do you see how we have yesterday's date? So watch what I do. I want to make sure that I use all the pages in my book. So I'm going to turn the page just like this. So I have a new page here, and I have Tuesday. Make sure it says Tuesday. Okay, so tomorrow or after class, you can go watch the video from yesterday to finish Mondays, okay? We're going to try really hard to make sure that we have enough time for today's, okay? All right. So the first thing that I want you guys to look at is that we have two word families today. We have an and add. Yesterday we only had one word family, and that word family was at. So all of our words that we have on this page rhyme with at. Sat, rat, cat, bat, pat, mat, hat, bat, fat. They all end with at. But today we have two endings or two word families. So on your paper today, I want you to take your pencil and you're going to draw a line right down the middle. Just like that. And at the way top, we're going to put today's date. Today's date is 1-5-21. And before we even cut out any of these, we're going to go through and underline the ending of each of these words. And I'm going to have you guys repeat the word back to me so we can hear the ending. It's either going to say an, so we put an an on this side with a line in the front, or it's going to say add, A-D, with a line in the front. Okay, we're going to go through each word, and after I say it, I want you to repeat it back to me, and then we will start cutting them out. Okay? Fan. Everyone say fan. Dad. Underline add. Just like here. Pan. And. Sad. Man, and pad, add, van, and mad, add, can, and. So do you see the part that we underlined for all of these words? That is the word family that we're going to choose. So it's either going to end in an, like fan, or add, like dad. So our first job is to cut out all the way around the edge so that we have just one piece of paper to throw away. So go ahead and start that. And I'm going to go put this in the recycling bin. And I'm going to give you guys a little bit more time. Miss Prince is going to keep cutting this out so that I have a pile of words and a pile of my pictures. So go ahead and start that. And then I'm going to put all hands back down, and when your hand is raised, that's going to let me know that you are ready to start gluing. All right, We are going to start with this card, and I'm going to look and see who is raising their hand. Landon, before we say this word, I want you to look at the ending and decide, is it an or ad? So if I just look at the underlined part, and good job, Landon. Now put the first sound back on, and tell me which word this is. Van. Good job. So we're going to glue van in the an box because it has the same ending. Do you see that? They both end in an. So we're going to glue van. And then what should you be looking for a picture of, Landon?
A picture of a van.
Of a van, like a car, like a big car. Oh, there it is. Van. And we're going to glue that right underneath the word van. All right. Cadence, when you are ready, I want you to sound out this word and tell me where I should put this card.
Sad.
Good job, Cadence. Sad. Where would I put? We're gonna finish this, sweetie. Is it about this work?
Yeah, it's about reading.
Okay.
I got these little reading blocks for Christmas. You can roll them around, and the middle always has blue words, and they are always L's or S's or something. And the two sides you can change to any letter to make words.
Ooh, that sounds like something that is going to be really helpful. Thanks for sharing, Cadence.
Yeah.
Do you know where I need to put this card? Does it go in the an or the ad side? Ad. Good job. Sad. Hi, Cruz. I see that you just got on. So, you might need to watch the video later, okay? But you can start cutting these out and practicing these words with us. So when we look for the sad card, we're going to be looking at the facial expression. So this guy doesn't really look sad. So we're going to go to the next one. This guy looks mad. I don't think that's the right card either. Oh, he has a tear in his eye. That must be the sad card. See the tear? So we're going to glue sad. Okay. Mason, your hand is raised. This is your card. So look at the ending. Good job. And fan. Good job. Does it go with an or ad? And. Good job. And then we look for a picture of a fan. There it is. Fan. Adrian, your hand is up. This is your card.
Mad.
Good job, Adrian. Mad. Would I put this card in the and pile or the add?
Mad.
Good job. Add. Mad. So now we got to look for a facial expression again. So I don't think he looks mad here. Ooh, there's a mad kid. Look at his eyebrows. He's mad. So we just glued this kid here because he's mad. Mad. Petra, your hand is up. Here is your card. Petra, this is for you when you're ready. So when we look at this word, we know it's either going to end with an or add. I see an A-N, so we're going to say an. First letter is M. An. Good job. Can you say the whole word? Man. Good job, Petra. Man goes under an. So for this card, we need to make sure we grab the right card because we also have the word dad, and we'll know it's the dad if it has a kid with him. So here is the dad with his baby. So the man is this guy with the mustache.
You have no mustache.
Good job, Petra. Paige, I'm going to skip this one since Miss Prince already said what this card was. So this one is for you. Good job. Can. Does that go with an or add? And good job. Do you notice how I'm kind of running out of room? What we're going to do is just put them as close to it as we can. So maybe we want to do it like this and find the picture of a can, and we can do something like this. You will not get in trouble for that. Or maybe I want to put it right up here because it looks like I have a little bit of room there. That would be a good spot because it's mostly over on the and side. Tomorrow when we do our next one, I think we're going to turn our book this way so we can kind of have more room like this. But this is totally fine. Can.
Miss Prince?
Yes.
I put the can on the yellow side.
On this side?
Like on the back side? No?
On this side?
No, like that's the like man. I put it right next to him.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
could
like
do
that?
that. You could do that. Great idea, Cruz. All right, Deleza.
Pad.
Good job. Pad. Does that go with an or add? Is this an or add?
Add.
Good job, Deleza. Add. And the pad is this, like a notepad. Okay. Whose hand is up that I haven't called on? Nicholas, I haven't heard from you yet. Nicholas, can you tell me this picture? I'm sorry, this word? Pan. An or add? An. So I think tomorrow we can fit them. Miss Prince just needs to move her pictures over. That was kind of silly. Pan. And then we have our frying pan for the eggs. Last card. Anyone can unmute now and tell me this card?
I know.
Everyone can. Good job. Dad. Anyone can unmute. Is it an or add? Add. So I'm going to squeeze it in over here. It's hanging off my page a little bit, but that's okay. As long as I have glue on it, it's not going to fall off of there. And we have glued all of them on there. So before we go, we're going to do the popcorn game again, where I'm just going to point to a card. Anyone can unmute and tell me that card, but we're just going to say it one time. So we're not going to go sad, 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 sad. We're just going to say it one time. Sad. Okay, here we go. Good job. Good job. Great job. Man. Good job. I want to make sure everyone's doing this. So if you are not unmuting, make sure you're still doing your sounds. Can. Woo! Awesome job. Mad. Good job. All right. So, to keep track of this, we will close the book. Make sure the back has your page for Wednesday. That's tomorrow. It's green. And Thursdays is blue. So those are for tomorrow and the day after that. You may go put this in your backpack or back in your folder somewhere safe for tomorrow. Take care of your scissors and your glue. And I'm going to do a Go Noodle before we go.